Important: using a virtual private network to access a geo-restricted streamer may violate that service's terms. Proceed at your own discretion. 1. Prepare accounts apps. Ensure you have an active Peacock or NBC or right shoulder subscription that includes live sports, or a TavraVider login that grants Peacock or NBC access. Install Nord Virtual Private Network and the Peacock or NBC Sports app from the App Store, Google Play. Update both apps. 2. Subscribe. Install Nord Virtual Private Network. Buy Nord Virtual Private Network. Use 30-day money-back to test. Install the Nord Virtual Private Network app on your phone and log in. 3. Connect to the right US server. Open Nord Virtual Private Network. Protocol: NordLink's default. Connect to a US server. Try New York, Chicago, or Ashburn. Use a streaming optimized or low latency server. 4. Sign in and stream. While connected to the US server, open Peacock or NBC app. Sign in or verify subscription. Start live US open coverage. If prompted with a geo error, switch to a different US server and retry. 5. Mobile optimizations. Use Wi-Fi, preferably 5 GHz or strong cellular. LTE 5G for best stability. Enable NordLinks and close background apps. Lower resolution if buffering. Clear app cache Android or reinstall. App iOS if location errors persist. 6. Troubleshooting quick fixes. Virtual private network connected, but blocked. Change a server or use a dedicated or residential IP Nord Virtual Private Network add-in. Playback errors. Clear app cache. For Squid app, reconnect virtual private network, then reopen app. Slow speeds. Switch to a nearer US server. Use wired hotspot or lower. Stream quality. 7. Device alternatives. If phone app fails, connect phone hotspot to a laptop with Nord Virtual Private Network, or set up Nord Virtual Private Network on your router or Fire Stick to cover. Mobile or tablet via home network. Router install may reduce speed.